Hi, good evening everyone. I am Dr. K. Pushpam, Assistant Professor in Sociology. Now we are discussing about in the continuation of evaluation and environment of HRM. So now we are discuss evaluation of HRM in the West. First reason is Industrial Revolution. Adam Smith says specialization and division of labor is one of the reason for evolution of the HRM concept. Then Robert Bones, pioneer of HRM, performance appraisal and pay for performance. That is also another reasons for the evaluation of the concept of HRM. Then scientific management. Frederick Taylor, father of scientific management, he defined systematic analysis and breakdown of work into the smallest mechanical components and rearranging them into the most efficient combination. Steps in scientific management has followed the certain steps, that is the job analysis, selection, training, rewards. Then third one is industrial psychology. Henry Payel management functions planning, organizing, communicating, coordinating and controlling. So these are the directions will be created by the HRM concept. Then F.L. Gilbert principles of work simplifications, that is included time and motions studies. Then Henry Kant's principles of work scheduling. Then fourth one is continuation of scientific management. Then fourth point is human behavior and relations. The in human behavior and relations are defined by according to the four theories. So first theory is the Hawthorne studies by Westinghouse. It is dealing with the human relationships. Then the happy workers are the most productive workers. It is defined by the buttermilk theory. Max Weber deals with the ideal bureaucracy. Then Chris and Argyris, individual and organization mutual assessment. Then affected by the theories of behavioral science and system theory. Then in three stages of growth of HRM. The first one is file management, collecting and storing the data of each employee. Second one is government accountability, compliance to government regulations. Human resource management, treating human resource as an asset. Then the emphasizing joint responsibilities of line managers and staff members. The current business issues and the effect on HR. Because the present era, all the business activities and industrial activities will be included on the HR. So first one is due to the technological changes and privacy, workplace security, globalization and offshoring, immigration, AIDS epidemic, aging workplace, employment regulation and litigations. The next one is the sustainability of challenge. Knowledge is becoming more valuable. Intellectual capital refers to the creativity, productivity and service provided by the employee's knowledge. Workers are employees who contribute to the company not through manual labor but through a specialized body of knowledge. Empowerment means giving employee responsibility and authority to make decisions regarding all aspects of product development or customer services. A learning organization embraces a culture of lifelong learning, enabling all employees to continually acquire and share knowledge. The psychological contract describes what an employee expects to contribute and what the company will provide to the employee for these contributions. Alternative work arrangement includes independent contractors, on-call workers, temporary workers and contract company workers. The next move on global changes. The companies are finding that to survive they must compete international market as well as fend off foreign corporations attempts to gain around in the US. Every business must be prepared to deal with the global economy. This is made easier by technology. Offshoring refers to the exporting of jobs from developed countries to less developed countries. Many companies are entering international markets by exporting their products overseas. building manufacturing facilities in other countries, entering into alliances with foreign companies, and engaging in e-commerce activities. Then the technological challenge. The technology has reshaped by way we play, plan our lives, and where we work. The overall impact of the internet. The internet has created a new business model, e-commerce, in which business transaction and relationship can be conducted electronically. Then advances in technology have changed how and where we work, then resulted in high performance models of work system, increased the use of teams to improve customer service and product quality, then increased working partnership, changes skill requirements, led to changes in company structure and reporting relationships, increased the availability of human resource information system which are used to acquire, store, manipulate, analyze, retrieve, and distributive HR information. Increased the availability of EHRM, which is the processing and transmission of digitalized information used in HRM. Increased the competitiveness of high performance work system. Then next one is the evaluation of HRM in India. So how to HRM developed in India in the different periods. The first one is period and what kind of development will be achieved, then outlook, then focus, and what kind of status will be achieved in this classification given in this table. 1920 to 1940 they are beginning period of the evolution. Then it was a legalistic and statutory welfare, then clerical. 1940 to 1970 struggling for recognition, then technical and legalistic, then paternalism, then administrative. 1970 to 1990 introduction of sophisticated techniques, impersonal and professional, regulatory conformance, management. Then 1990 to 2000 promising philosophical, then human values, productivity through people, then executive. After 2000, then after that period, bright psychological development of potential, then attaining the top level. So this is the conditions for developing in India. Then what kind of environment will be involved for evolution of the HRM concept? There are two factors are involved: internal factors and external factors. First one is internal: structure, organization, location of task, then availability of resources, organization of workforce, then rules, then development and training processes, rewards and benefits structure, compensation and benefits, adaptations to organizational changes. So these are the environment will be created evolution concept. Then external changes: labor market, unions, legal mandates and prohibitions, interest group, then stakeholders, societal norms, professional ethics, competing organization. Next one is the collaborating organization demands for services, customers, technology, economic and social change. Then static environmental condition, then another one is changing environment conditions. So these are the type of environments will be involved for creating the evolution concept. Thank you.